High in the Indian Himalayas sits a lake that looks perfectly normal until the ice melts. Then you see them, hundreds of human skeletons scattered across the bottom. Local legends said they were an ancient king and his army who died in battle. But when scientists tested the bones, they discovered something far more disturbing. These people didn't die at the same time. Some died 1,200 years ago, others just 400 years ago, and they weren't all local. DNA showed some came from as far as the Mediterranean. But here's the truly horrifying part. Every single skeleton showed the same injuries. Blunt force trauma to the head and shoulders. Something had struck them from above with devastating force. Scientists believe it was a hailstorm, but not just any hailstorm. One so violent it killed everyone it touched. But how did people from different centuries and different continents all end up dying the exact same death in this remote mountain lake? The more we learn about Rupkund Lake, the deeper the mystery becomes.